So basically, myself, Rahul Podar, I am from Shakti Plastic Industries. We are into plastic waste recycling, one of the oldest recyclers in India. Uh, I'm here to share my thoughts on circularity and sustainability. So basically, we are a 53-year-old organization involved in plastic waste recycling. We do provide many services like we are into manufacturing of recycled granules. We do provide services related to extended producer responsibility under plastic waste management rules. We also manufacture products made out of recycled materials, which are carbon neutral and all. We do provide industrial waste solutions involved in awareness programs, campaigns, and all. So basically, one of the pioneers in recycling, established in 1969, registered with Central Pollution Control Board and also with CPCB. Uh, of course, these are our major environmental impacts, what we have created in past many years. We have collected more than 5 lakh metric tons of plastic waste and diverted it from landfills. Approximately, around we have around 100 plus municipal tie-ups, 35 plus disposal centers. We are connected with 250 plus brand owners under EPR compliance and plastic waste management guidelines. Uh, so basically, we do convert all kinds of polymers like PP, HDP, LDP, ABS, HIPS. So these are all kinds of polymers what are available, and we segregate. We have a good system of segregation where we segregate different kinds of plastic waste and convert into granules, and we create a value out of waste. These are few of the images of our facility, one of the largest recycling facilities in India, with a very state-to-the-art facility and technology. We have a patented technology to convert multi-layer plastic waste. So in the country, as of today, maximum quantities of multi-layer plastic waste goes to the landfill and thus end up going for incineration, and it doesn't create any value. So basically, we have technology where we have patented it, and we are converting value out of MLP waste, creating granules and also into products through our processing technology. It's through a mechanical recycling process. This is a process of multi-layer plastic waste recycling, where Shakti Plastics is focused on recycling a multi-layer plastic waste and creating a value out of it. So collection is a key part of the activity. Apart from that, washing, cleaning, shredding is again another very important part where we remove all the contaminations from the waste. Then there is a dry separation process where it's even dried, dried as well as it's segregated. Any impurities which is left after washing also gets removed through that dry separation process, and then there's a granulation process where it's called extrusion process. These are some of the grades and some of the applications where the granules are used in different applications in the industry. These are our overall presence on pan-India basis, where we are present in almost 36 states and union territories in terms of plastic waste collection. We have 5 recycling plants. One is in Palghar, Indore, Gujarat, Delhi, and Karnataka. We also have our own MRF facilities, which is called material recovery facilities, which is spread almost in all the states and union territories in the country. And this gives us an upper edge to work with government bodies and brand owners and under the compliance and for waste collection and channelization. So basically, what we have an end-to-end traceability systems. How we have an upper hand in the industry is like we have a direct collection mechanism. In all the states and union territories, we have our own collection systems. We don't work with third parties. We have our own setups for waste collection, recycling, channelization. Also, we have a very controlled systems where we have our own people deployed to monitor the activity on day-to-day basis. We have our own auditing systems, a digital platform to trace the activities end to end. This is the process flow where like from waste collection from different streams, we transport the material to collection centers, and from collection centers it has been transported to recycling facility, and also some of the materials are diverted to pyrolysis, waste to energy, cement kilns, and for road constructions also. These are some of the areas where we have our own collection setups almost in all states and union territories. Uh, these are some of the stakeholders' responsibilities, like brand owners, waste management agencies, municipal corporations, consumers. So in the full chain ecosystem, there are different responsibilities of different organizations and different bodies, and this is how the system gets implemented on the ground level. So yes, these are a few of our recycling facilities, and we have good capacities in recycling, like in Palghar, Bhiwandi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and all. So this our business model works on different. So we have a IEC activity plan on pan India basis where we do 365 awareness campaigns in a year, one program a day. And we have pledged at Shakti Plastic that we will do 365 programs a year in terms of awareness campaigns, collection drives, training programs, schools, colleges. We cover schools, colleges, railway stations, airports, corporate offices, residential societies, and many more places. We do provide training and skill upliftment programs for rack picker community, ground level people who are day to day engaged in waste collection activity from landfills and from different areas. So lots of efforts on the ground level. Then after that, we get good waste, and that is very important. We have a digital portal, EPR portal. So in EPR, the main challenge is the transparency, the traceability of the activities, where we provide end-to-end traceability of all kinds of EPR activity what we do for brand owners. It's a live portal, and it's all in-house with all security applications. It has been used by more than 200 brands, and one of the very good digital software what we have developed in last 2 years, by which we are providing all the traceability of the activity what we are currently doing in the country. These are few of the products what we are manufacturing. We have developed tiles, which is equivalent to a paver block, and which has a good strength, like 40-ton load bearing capacity. It can be used indoor and outdoor applications, even on walls, floorings, and all. One of the very good innovative product what we have developed in this journey. Apart from that, we are also manufacturing pallets made out of waste. Again, these pallets are equally equal with equal strength. For example, a pallet made out of virgin material and a pallet made out of recycled materials have equal strength, impact load. All testings are done from government authorized labs, and we are currently supplying to a lot of brands under sustainability. We have developed dustbins. We are working with government bodies where we are providing them dustbins out of waste, benches, again, flower pots. So we do manufacture a lot of these products. Apart from that, we have other products also in our portfolios, which are 100% out of consumer waste, and we have been supplying across the country since last 2 3 years. We have stationery items like pencils, compass box, and all very interesting products. This is industrial waste management. So we provide end-to-end solutions for factories, industries who generate a lot of waste in terms of hazardous, non-hazardous waste. We manage the waste inside the plants also. Currently, we are providing solutions to around 45 to 50 brands, companies in the country for waste management in their own premises. These are some of the awareness programs what we have been doing across the country in different parts, in different states. So a lot of students people have attended our programs. We, as of today, till date, we have touched more than 50,000 people through our awareness programs on pan-India basis, and that is one of the and all the programs awareness campaigns are on plastic waste management. We generally focus on recyclability, on collection part, and on spreading information and knowledge that plastic should be disposed in a proper environment friendly manner, and if it is being disposed or recycled, it will create a value out of it, and it's not a bad material, but the habits of individual people should be improved, and uh, it is a part of the full it is our social responsibility also. This is a collection drive, what we do on all Sundays in different parts, again, on beaches and all in different parts of the country. And we have a lot of people who have joined hands with Shakti Plastics for joining these collection drives in on beaches on um, every Sunday, and it's creating a good impact across different cities. So we have a social initiative foundation, environment foundation, which is called SEVA, which is Save Earth, Water, Air. In this NGO associations, we help the community. We spread the awareness programs. We do a lot of charity under our own CSR programs in India, in Mumbai, and many more locations. So, and of course, it is helping a lot of people on the ground. Associated with some of the esteemed organizations like APMA, MRAI, OPPI, ICPE, so who are working in environment relentlessly since years, and we are proud members and committee members of these associations. Assisting them on day-to-day basis about recyclability and recycling structure in India. These are a few of the media coverages what we where we were featured in Times of India a few months back in 5 cities: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Vadodara. Some of the we were covered in news nations and all also. Some of the highlights were on that. That's it from my side. It is end of my presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. It was very great to hear you. I mean, understanding the fact that there are collection sectors, for plastic waste across India, and recycling facilities are also available. It's good to know. I mean, it's very important for consumers to be aware of this fact. And I was very impressed with the fact that you've been doing a lot of awareness campaigns and collection drives, which helps the consumer to become aware as to ideas of waste segregation at the source itself, and training for the collection community. I think this is very important, because in terms of collecting plastic waste and understanding the plastic waste with proper segregation is very important for people who are collecting the waste, if you go to see. And then one more important part of the aspect of the whole thing is you collect the waste, you even recycle it, and at the end there are certain products that are reusable from this plastic. So actually circular economy is being properly handled at your end. That is what we can see, and you are also working with industrial waste management. I think that's a very big plus point at your end. And it was great to hear from you. We look forward to connecting more in the future. Fine, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity, and thanks to World of Chemicals for organizing this superb event and program. Looking forward to hear from other people.
Thank you. And